how to set a custom sound for different chat conversations on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down and then tap on notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on advanced settings. Then tap on conversations. In here, tap on the conversation that you would like to change. Then tap on sound. From here, you can choose a particular sound. You can choose the system default sound, or you can set a custom sound. Okay, so set a custom sound. At the moment, my phone has been set to silent. Okay, so select a sound from the list here, and then you can tap on the back key. So that's it. So now we have set a specific custom sound just for this conversation only. So any other conversation will be using the default sound. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.